Hello, today we are going to be talking about the scientific method. The scientific method is used by scientists in order to answer questions and do it in a way that it can be repeated. The scientific method is composed of a question, a hypothesis, an experiment, data, and a conclusion. The question is, what do you want to know? Today's question is, will the combination of regular Coke and Mentos, Diet Coke and Mentos, or white vinegar and baking soda form the high stream of liquid? The hypothesis is the theory for what will happen. It's an if-then statement. Today's hypothesis is, if Coke and Mentos, Diet Coke and Mentos, and baking soda and vinegar are mixed separately, then Diet Coke and Mentos will produce the highest stream. The experiment is to test your hypothesis. Be sure to write down step-by-step instructions so that the experiment can be repeated. For today's experiment, you will need 1 bottle of Diet Coke, 1 bottle of regular Coke, an empty plastic bottle in which you can put vinegar in, vinegar, Mentos, a half sheet of paper, tape, vinegar or baking soda, and water in a small mixing bowl. In today's experiment, you will take a small mixing bowl and put approximately 5 teaspoons of baking soda in the bowl. After you have put the baking soda in the bowl, you will put just enough water to form a thick paste. You should be able to mold the paste in your hand. You want the baking soda to be able to go in the top of the bottle. Once you have made the baking soda, you're going to put it in the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes. While you're waiting on that to chill, you can take your half sheet of paper and your Mentos. You roll the sheet of paper around the Mentos and tape it so that it sticks. You can also pour the white vinegar into your empty bottle. While you're doing your experiment, you will need to take notes on what information you get. You can make a chart like this one to keep all of your data organized. Next, you will need to move outdoors as the next part is very messy. Once you've made it outside, get your baking soda cubes and your piece of paper and load the baking soda into your tube. Place the tube over the vinegar and get out of the way. Yeah, okay. Baking soda, 0 feet. Next, we will do the regular Coke. Take off your lid and set it wherever you have measured out. Take 3 or 4 Mentos and load them into your shooter. Place them onto the bottom and drop them in and back up. Next is the Diet Coke. During our experiment, we took data down from what was happening. We said that the vinegar shot up 0.1 inches. The Coke shot up 1.5 inches. And the Diet Coke shot up 1.75 inches. As you can see, sometimes in experiments, what we want to happen isn't necessarily what happens. Now, after we have done our data, we look at our data and draw a conclusion. The conclusion is, what did you learn? Hypothesis was in fact correct. The Diet Coke did shoot up minimally more than the regular Coke and the vinegar. The way that the Coke and Diet Coke works is that the Mentos acts as a catalyst to push all of the carbonation out of the drinks, and this creates pressure in the bottle and shoots the liquid up out of the bottle. The vinegar and baking soda work very differently in that it is a acid-base reaction and creates H2O. This creates pressure in the bottle and pushes it up out of the bottle. I hope you learned something. See you next time.